So we're going to make Astral is a plane from Foldable Flight. So you can go with 8 by 11-inch paper or A4 paper. So we're going to fold this right edge to the left edge. So like this. Line up that corners so your plane just looks like mine. Even though I maybe this, and then there's two of these, and we're going to fold to make a triangle like this. Here. Okay, so like that. Sharpen that crease. And then we're going to fold the same like that at the other side. Like this. And my fold should be like this. You can see that crease like there. And then we're going to open up like this. And then we're going to fold these triangles to fold right along this edge. So like this. Sharpen that crease. Okay. So like that. No gap. It should be like a corner. So we're going to fold this an inch. So like here has the same about here. So like this would be good. Unfold that and fold this up and then turn it around and then make triangles that the crease is going to land on this edge. So like this. And do the same thing at the opposite side. This. Line up those corners. Okay, like this. And then unfold that. Turn it over. Unfold that. Fold. Come back like this. And then we're going to perform a swivel fold. So we're going to like fold this, and then if this crease is already folded, like sharpen it, and then we're actually going this edge to touch this edge. That's why this is a swivel fold. Do the same thing. This edge to here. Swivel fold. Like this. And then, if you're already done, fold a triangle that lands on the center crease. So like here. And then, if you're already done, unfold that and then fold this crease also so this edge lands on the center crease. If you've done all that too, you're gonna see these tabs can actually pocket. This is as a pocket, and then they can actually go underneath this pocket. So we're going to that. Okay, pocket like this. Okay, this tab is actually already underneath. If you can't do that, you can rewind. Okay, like this, and then put this tab underneath this. So if you're done all that rough stuff, you can make this shape like this, and then we're going to fold this edge to the center crease, and then fold this edge to the crease you just made a few seconds ago. Like that. Do the same thing at the other side. This. Like this. And then fold the edge to your crease. Like this. If you're already done like this, fold this a little bit to the center crease, like here, like this. Okay. So if you're done, you can actually play with these. If you're like me, you already done. If you don't like me, so like this, the airplane, you're actually not done. So you can rewind the video. So if you're done like me, like this, congratulations, you have made Astral. If you're interested with the flight, your throw is actually like this. But I actually have a solution. So because this has not a place to throw like the center crease, you can actually do like this, throw like sideways. If you see your airplane is diving down, fold these edges up slightly. And there you have it. You got Astral.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe this channel.